Hallo meine Damen und Herren, willkommen im Studio. Hello and welcome back to CarX Part 2, it's free, Part 3, Part 275. I am just in research where I just get my cigarettes laid off yesterday. Here we go. Tonight, I don't know what really I want to do, you know. Habe ich jetzt gerade wirklich gesagt? Guten Abend, meine Damen und Herren. Jesus. The whole day was a fucked up mess day. I woke up, actually, my head hurt and my jaw hurt. Actually, kind of, some tooth that just was a little bit fucked up. So it was more like actually testing 2 games and twice sleeping, eating 3 pizzas. I know that crack. And now I feel a little bit better, but it is, you know, the tongue is all the times going here and going there. Why is it hurting in here? Why is the jaw hurting? Is that tooth okay? Because, you know, for yesterday I just was on the dentist and stuff. There was, on the afternoon, it hurts hellish as shit. And I was even saying to the right hand and to my boss, I'm working a couple of hours and then I'm going home. So I did. At the morning time, I'm sorry for that one. The Medium Maker, I just uploaded the video. I thought actually it's under an hour. It feels so, but it was an hour 25, and so the console didn't know me. It let me know actually that the video is just stopped by because I watched actually these 2 guys, how they just handle my, you know, my maps. Or better said, these are one map, you know, and I was kind of a little bit seriously on 45 minutes or something. So I harvested actually my maps as well, and I thought actually we were maybe by 55 minutes, but it was by 1 hour and 25, and so I'm sorry for that one, fucked it up. So there's no video from that 2 guys actually, but I just can bring it up again or something, you know, the next morning before I go to work. Something's starting here right now. Stop, but just still actually sideways I am on. Oh, a second. Like shit, right? Much better. To getting all these, man, what kind of description changing and the tag changing. Every time the same crap, you know. Same crap. Yeah. Scaluarte. Bimbano. Bimbo. Bimbang. Bimbo. Bimbang. Bimbo. Bimbo. Oh, now they fucked. Now we have CarX Street, I know. What is CarX Street? Then CarX Drift Racing 2, CarX Highway Racing. Then we have CarX Drift Racing. And we have CarX Drift Racing Online again. Yay! Thank you! You fuckers! Seriously. Oh, finally. I was waiting all the time for that crack. So let's inspect actually the other videos. Because I think more than 10 videos right now on CarX. CarX Drift, I think it was. CarX Drift, yeah, only. Let's see, yesterday. CarX Drift Racing Online, aha. So they changed now again the title. Thank you very much. Somebody is listening to me. I tried it 10 times to tell you that. Or maybe 7 or 10 times, but I'm not sure anymore. How often I just say that the last weeks. Drippin' annoying. And now we're back with a picture. CarX Drift Racing Online. It's from 2017. Yes, sir. And here we go.
Hello all.
Oh gosh, my microphone. Ding ding, ding ding. Online. Please add some music in your earplugs. Oh, music's just starting not to run. I didn't say something, but alright. Alright, you clown. What's with the veggie? Yeah, you're pulling the music on over here. Love it. For the punks that are watching, you know. They don't want to listen to me anymore, I'm annoying. A 654, oh that's so wonderful. Let's get a 666 tonight. Snotting America out of a shark's nose. That looks so great. Finish him! Come buddy! So today we have beer, the last drip of vodka and cola. That was exactly in the glass, fitting. That was a rest of cola, right? And there was vodka actually. The cola is kind of at 40% and 60% actually cola, but that was perfectly fit. A little, you know, oh, that was not even a drip actually. So that's why I was trying to get the first, sip actually done before I started up, and I've been so excited, and then I'm dripping all over here the place. So I was seriously like on here filled, and that is actually since a week or something I didn't drink actually that vodka and cola. I thought actually okay, that's for exactly one for maybe a half glass or something, but it was exactly a full glass. Seriously, I'm not joking. First the vodka, and then the cola. And at the end I saw actually the last drips coming out of the cola and fulfill actually the whole glass. I thought actually, maybe it's a 2 liter, you know, watch a little bit up. Maybe it's more inside there and it tricks you, and if you're just getting hive up actually a little bit more, then a half liter more comes out and everything's fucked, you know. But that was seriously the last drips. Good decision with that glass, man. Thought a half liter is enough, right? Which to pick up the 1 liter glass, I'd say no, a half liter glass is enough. How was your rose dripping Valentine's Day yesterday? As I wrote actually some girl down, that was the worst day ever on Valentine's Day. Even more and more pain actually, and all I just did yesterday before the dentist and after the dentist, all this stuff. Cheers up, Campana, Strawberry, Salus, Salus, Gold, Brothers, die next spielen. Croissant. Oh, die song in the end. Yeah. Okay. Can we play? That never will become an answer here anyway. Sag mal, warum ist denn der Stuhl so niedrig? Aber der geht nicht höher. War das schon immer so? Look. Ich glaube, irgendwas ist kaputt. Nee, der geht wirklich nicht höher. Ah. Goberimasu. Duschel, das andere über mich denken. Oh, I'm so sorry. Das war gerade ein Test, oder? The shark noise sign looks actually like Chupa Chups, you know, colored. Has something. I think there's nothing actually to lollipop with that shark. More like a shark has a little booming popsicle then. I'm stressed. Whoa, already 31, what's going on here? What actually coming in with 25? That vehicle. Too early. Like I was at the dentist yesterday. Half hour too early. Even I was going one times around of a block and I thought, okay, 50 minutes now, that's okay, I think that's alright. Nope, fucked it up. Just something a little bit paused. Wanna listen in? Up your ass. Oh, what was she saying? Music right now, my ears are so loud. Yeah, of course. Yeah. It's that American flag, man. I am so gross with that. Sorry for that one. It's just I thought, oh come on, let's do some fun. We kept the German flag as well, of course, but Germany is sad and tired, you know. And in a revolt or something. No wonder about our politics. These monkeys poisoned under the tree actually with some fruit. That feels like so. Curious if Germany's actually down below, actually in Iran, or Iran, yeah. Israel, I'm sorry. Did I say Iran? Oh, here we go now, the president. Oh man, that's it. That was the same like actually Bosch was saying, right? Oh, our troops are Iraq, but actually he needed to say the Afghanistan, right? But he was saying Iraq, and I'm just saying right now Iran instead of Israel. I'm dripping wrong. Sorry for that one. That's how about it. Look at that. That flag combines my thinking already with perfect, right? Oh my gosh, what a disaster. Stretching until the spine, watch out. Rips all back, you know. Have a look here right now. Brum brum A3. Schauen wir mal. Looky, is there silver? And if not, then we gone. Look, get their silver and be gone. Okay, music I have twice in my ears. The main menu music and the Spotify music now. And I can't concentrate right now. I feel already no splits popping on, in, off, or something. Hello? I. Come on. Stretch that tire work. I wanna have a drag mode. And at this game, it is so much cool when they bring the story mode in here. No, I lost actually something. My brain cells. Time for beer. Cold and cold. That fitting in anyway? Yeah, I think that was fitting, right? Oh my god, yeah. Then you can say it's a half liter, so it's more than a half liter of rum and cola. I mean, vodka and cola. So it's more than a half liter then. And they say 500 milliliters in here, then this are 625 or something. Already the 125 milliliters actually already drunk off. Tjus abkampagnet står vi ser ut som du skal prøve å next stream. See if you're just online here and it's just popping up on the Dev Nation CB. Yeah, definitely trending for guys. Or for folkies. Normally there's only guys, right? That's the problem. That's why I say guys all the time. Yeah. OG Tricks, Strike, Keep Us, that weirdo Chris over there, I don't know, this funky punk ass that is. Late. 4 watches, 2 watches, 1 watcher, 1 watcher. Well, I have 2 watchers, but I actually counted as 1 watcher. I don't get it, man. I think I sold myself. Ah. I'm sorry. 18 minutes, and we actually on the second drift. One of the longest. Ganbarimasu. Noisy vehicle. Excuse me, Scott Jack. The vehicle is so loud. Look at that. 60%, 100% music. When playing actually these BMW, right? It was so noisy, that music. No, it's the opposite side. I can't even hear the music right now. Okay, let's do a 45. Massive Mercedes V8. My heart hurts. Awesome. Ganbarimasu again. I'm so sorry. Here we go. A little bit of music is popping in. The music is in the background and it's actually 100%. The car is at 45% on the volume. Why I hear the car so loud? Gosh, is that noisy car? Oh gosh, don't miss it. Easy punk. Since yesterday I couldn't drift anymore. I started up and I saw actually on the other account that I got problems actually by drifting because the cars weren't of tires or something, I thought. I think my controller is a little bit broken or something over the year, I have to say. Already have it. Already say it's broken again, it's dead now the controller, but I revolve again and revive him again. Bring him back to life. Just because the controller already is so used that likes actually the drift game, because on the starting up with a new controller it's so... The suspension itself on the controller is so hard to manipulate. Tunes are hurting, right, and stuff like that, because you don't know about it anymore, about how strong it is on your controller, on your feelings, your hand, you know. No brakes. It's the same. Every time I'm missing this one, we're bashing into it because the beginning is so fast. You're thinking you have to try to stay on that fast. You have a lot of miles per hour, and then you, oh gosh, the corner, and you try to brake and nothing happens. 772 on the XP with the 5S and 7,455. 20 Block, 23. Ja, meine Damen und Herren, wir bedanken uns beim Zuschauen. Wir verlassen jetzt das Studio. Need to bring that up more and more, actually. Oh, come on. Okay, the beginning was, what the hell. The drift. Yeah, yesterday I couldn't drift. My pain on my brain, my jaw as well, and my teeth. I was somehow brings it in that every car is a little bit different, and I thought actually there was an update out there, just bring it on. So as you see here, actually nothing happened on an update or upgrade. I couldn't yesterday drift just only over 2.5 hours. Sorry for that one. Matrix from MCTR. Bring back the bait. Alright, that's good. Oh, we didn't throw something in here. Oh, this is gonna be noisy. First up, checking every car. But the game that takes a long time. An 80k. 55 vehicles is already good. Oh, bruh. Man, it's that Louis, that vodka and cola. Yesterday was fun as, but today, or was it 3 days ago? Oh hell, I don't feel comfortable today. I don't know why. Brom. I didn't even dive in here. What's going on with this crack? She's up campaign så var vi så du skal presentation next game. Please come on, don't for me. Campate. Good luck out there, motherhole. Tom's ticking. Crack, y'all. Kind of the FPS something's just rooking here. That was the same yesterday actually on the other account. Fucked up actually stuff. Gobbled some of his crack sideways. It was very funny to look, but I lost a lot of points that I tried the second time. It ended up actually at 21k. Oh, we already got 22k in here. Hold me back, yo. Sack rat. $30k and a 32. Wow. But just only actually 394 XP. If I'm reaching 50k, I'm reaching maybe 400 XP or something, right? What was the other road? How longer it is, how more XP you get. But sometimes the short tracks, right? And they give you as well 600 XP. I'm sometimes confused. And this one was a technical road. I think this is just how long you drift and how more XP you get. That was a 1 minute 13, right? Something like that. Just watch about these kind of minutes, or you know how long you drift in here. And see the XP that. Because the other one was like 3 minutes, right, or something. And we earned actually a 772 XP. Something like that, crack. Hey, I'll leave you alone, I need to get a toilet, pumping off actually, or out actually on my butthole pieces. Hey, right arm down, goddammit. Be right back. Thank you very much for a little bit watching me around. The German barbarian crack ass. Okay, let's go to the toilet. Be right back. The brutal is shooting in the back. DjVolgin. Taraymasu. DjVolgin. Bro.
Я могу сказать одно. Будь у меня время, я бы не тратил впустую.
Come on, I just want a drink, but I saw something in my nose, mate. Bitten here and bitten there, and I'm gonna do the better. Oh, your brother, man. That's why I couldn't actually do pimping up something that I already reached a 200 sign for that. Another vehicle. The rattlesnake. The rattlesnake. R.I.P. The D, y'all. The comic style of what's going on, and hey. Sparing a little bit actually electricity, right? That's what Skeleton has, not a, you know, background picture. Was that green screen is not activated? Actually, it is. But sometimes the light today, I have had it, you know, I don't want to put it on. That's why today actually my window is just set, you know, it's just covered actually the window in darkness. Actually, you don't get the sun in. I just did as well. Cause somehow my eyes hurting from yesterday's stupid dust, ash dust and construction cemetery dust that just give away because it's old and having rocks in there, stones and all this stuff. You know, rocks I call just only because they're carrying with water. The hydration actually on the air. What's wrong with the cigarettes? I don't want to burn. Dita samurai. Hiya! It had nothing to do with the samurai. I know, Chinese. Uts, uts, uts. Utsy muts. Can it be that we have the notification here off, by the way? Let's just see. Because I just told you about these recording video stuff. Notifications. Let's see. Yeah, they're actually here. No, they're all on. Everything is on in here. Oops. That's the worst. Oh my god. I think that the DjVolgin account, just the notification to have ended up the video record or something, but an hour or something was off because I didn't saw that. Eureka! Still my eyes are hurt a bit. Oh, crack. What's wrong with that cereal? Vamos. Grimsalabin. Grimsalabin. To the left, actually, to racing left. Next vehicle. Allow that G again. Whoppa! Yahoo! The bumpy music, yo. Chuck, chuck, chuck. Chuck, chuck. Christ is my man. I get bored, yo. Oh, my eyes are somehow covered in the back. Small today. Creek. Ce s-a campana și avea lui, că trebuie să nici ne exprim. Oh man, we got a mess up. A 50k came together. Look at that actually, these kind of a 2.5 minutes ride, 615. Came into a 3 minutes and something else, you get a 700. If you come in extra to a 4 minutes, you get a more XP. So it's all about the time, how much XP you get, how long you're drifting. Not about the score or something. Definitely. Oh, that beautiful T-Rex. More like a T-Rex mixed up with raptors on this crack. Oh, great music is starting up. Pumping up into the veins. And we see that music in the next verse. Oots, 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 oots. Yeah, like it. Feel like Gacy. LS-Vidz. Trying to get the 666 drift race done, yeah, bro. Choose your joiners. Hard about that one, shit. Keep moving. Still the head edge is there. Oh my gosh. Tomorrow's the last day, I think. Then we starting up normal work. So end of the week. So every day I'd just be there then. The last week was actually crazy enough. I hate that, you know. Oh well. Gambatte. There we go. Formula One line. Oh, finally a gold. neutrality. That's a nice one, mate. That's 2.5 minutes, 745 XP. Because I didn't crash, maybe, or something. Definitely, how longer you drift, how more XP you get. Talk German. Da fangen die Eier an zu kribbeln, Alter. Ich sowas sehe. Love it. Okay, that's new. Just pressing the cycle button. Okay. The Psn ID. The Psn ID. Alright, let's go a little bit online. Where did you learn to drift? St. Petersburg. Anniversity. $8.99. Is that out of bound or something? Aktuelle Stau- und Verkehrsmeldung. ADAC. soll das sein? Heute und gestern sagt mir schon irgendwas, aber nein, lieber schaue ich nach, bevor ich einen Schwachsinn erzähle. Das ist München Ost, okay, Munich. Ja, warum bin ich jetzt allein? Hallo? Was ist das für ein Müll? Hello, I'm dripping in here, what's going on? What a drill festival, fuck shit. Never need the song actually Lonely Boy or something's cracked. God damn it. God dang! Yeah. Cigarette is burning to myself. Bree brum brum bum bum bum. First gear. Sunshine. Powerful. AMG. Sandwiched. Nothing happens here. Yeah, way got crimps. and stuff there. Game over. Oh, sorry for that one. Monica. Done, right? There's nothing between us anymore. We have a problem, officer! Oh gosh. Oh my god, I missed the checkpoint. Oh! Shame. Oh, there's only A? There's no B? No C? Bob. Hard impact. Oh, there's just only A. That's it actually for us in here. Close to 100k. And we are out. Thank you very much for that one. 2k, here we go, not bad. 9 minutes, 2k, it makes sense. How long you drive, no more XP. 66 minutes on 666 drifts and the 66 time tags. Perfect. Ribbit, ribbit. 16 hours and 40 minutes left. I think I don't care about the money. Bye bye. Hold on. That's 69 actually. Oh crap, man, you fucked it up. I need some beer, be right back. Thank you very much for watching a little while. Okay, så det var helt exakt. Vi suger går nichts. Geschossen. Fucking head itch. The heart on myself. Doom, 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 doom. Crazy. There's another problematic. It's in this crack. I know what's really going on with my heart. Whoa, what the hell is wrong with you? Easy now. Here we go. Comfortable, eh? A. Was this an accounting lesson? Something like the A, B? No. Stupid plugs. The other one. That's fine as. Up the. Hold on back. Crack this up. Crack this up. Let's go online for a while. Ejay kampanya szła wysilić, sobie tylko rozliczny jak śpimy. are you holding so far? Normally the tires will get shredded. Oh gosh. Oh, homeboy. What we already earned close to 60k. Beyond biatch. She's up. Vodka and cola, eh? I'm home. Why is it fucking us up in here? PC, extra PC. Kleinholz, hey! Ja, du wieder. Some leggy with the vodka cola, Alter. So many people's in here and nobody wants to drift. Unbelievable. What kind of crack we dealing in here. Thanks. Oops. Need to go to pee again. Nobody's watching anyway. It's kind of getting boring. Like always, the game gets boringer and boringer more after 3 years now. I lost one and I picked up another car. Crap, ho. Oh shit. Oh no, no, no. And then you're waiting, and then waiting, and nothing happens, and waiting. Fuck crack, man. Waiting longer and more longer and... waiting and waiting. Kings, yo. Slow down. Psycho. Pain de la pain. Whoop, 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 whoop. Mata, be right back. Need to get a on time now. Silent at night. Let the fire again. Oh my god. Time to say goodbye. Nobody's watching in here. I don't know why. That pisses me off. Have a nice day. Bye bye.